Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, it's going to be drinking. Look, it's going to be smoking. Look, it's going to be swearing. Look, you've been warned. So look. Here come 3. Look, 2. Look, 1. Bang! Welcome, everybody. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. My name is Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest show on earth. The greatest show. In the multiverse. Greatest show in the daggone multiverse. We have a great show for you today. Bah! All right. Great show for you today. All right. So, we're going to start out with a little bit of RSK coin. So, this is RSK. Well, I should put it this way. Sovryn launches a Bitcoin DeFi through RSK. So, RSK has an onboarding of Sovryn. We're going to read about that. Then, a Canadian Bitcoin fund is going to IPO. Bang! And Galaxy Digital is part of this. This is, Mike Novogratz, Galaxy Digital. We'll read about that when we get there. And then, well, what have I been telling you? And this literally says this. Weak hands are selling, and the fresh money is entering the market. And so we are going to talk about that. And then we're going to do the usual, the shout-outs and the daily summary. So let's proceed how we proceed with a bang. Look. Bang. What do we got? Bitcoin at 22,500. Oh. It is now 3:44 in the afternoon. About 20 minutes ago, it was at like 23,000. So a little intraday movement, a little intraday price movement. Of course, it can't just go up forever. All right, it's the price of Bitcoin, $22,570. Fuck. When I left yesterday, we were only at $21,259. So we've gone up. What's this? 1,320 bucks. $1,320. Fuck. Right? And the day before, when I read you the story yesterday, we'd gone up $1,724. So if you add that together, that's about $3,000 up in the past 2 days. And the day before that, we were up 700 and, what does that say? 715. So about $3,700 in the past couple days. So expect a little retrace. Prices don't go up forever. All right. So look, top 10 day, brothers. Look, usual suspects. Top 10, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Tether, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Chainlink, Cardano, Polkadot, and Binance Coin. Let's look at market moves of the day. Pretty much everything's green. But still, we'll just say single digits up, single digits down. 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 Two single digits up, two single digits down. All right. Let's look at the top 10 losers today. You see anything you like, go get it because it's on sale. Bye. Skimpy. Top 10 losers. Uma, SushiSwap, Zilliqa, Abe, Waves, Ren, Avalanche, Hedra, Hashgraph, Filecoin, and Algorand. Let's see who made money today, brothers and sisters. Bye. Some gains right there. Look, top 10 gainers. XRP, Dogecoin, Litecoin, NEM, Nexo, Uniswap, Bitcoin, Wrapped Bitcoin. Whoops, what's going on here? Ren, BTC, and Compound. All right, let's look at total market cap of the day, folks. All right. Total market cap of the day is $647.2 billion. When I left yesterday, we were at we're at $613.4 billion. So we've gone up 20, what is that? Oh, what is that? Oh, $34 billion. All right. And then let's look at the 24-hour volume. I don't know if I believe this number. But anyways, I mean, maybe because, I mean, the price of Bitcoin did go crazy. All right, the price, the 24-hour volume is $274 billion. That might be true. When you have something like this, let's look at the Bitcoin price again. Right? When you have, the asset going up, what do we have here? $1,300 today. Fuck, it went up 1,700 yesterday. So, I mean, yeah. But yesterday's volume was only 168, so yeah, whatever, man. Just whatever. So look, today's volume is $274.0. When I left yesterday, we're 168, so we've gone up. What is that? $96 billion. All right. Look, let's get to the stories. Bang. Yeah. Bang. So, Sovryn launches complete suite for Bitcoin DeFi on RSK. So, look, RSK hodlers. There you go. And if we read the byline here, it says the protocol features leveraged trading, lending, and borrowing, and an in-house decentralized exchange. Oh, it's quite robust. All right, let's see what this is about. Sovryn, a decentralized finance platform operating on the RSK Bitcoin sidechain, announced on Tuesday its public launch. Users can now access a full suite for trading Bitcoin in a trustless, non-custodial environment, benefiting from powerful leverage and yield opportunities. The platform presents a mix of major DeFi building blocks, including a collateralized lending protocol and automated market maker exchange. Users can trade long or short with up to 5 times leverage. Oh, so they're giving them some leverage. While hodlers of Bitcoin, Tether, and the dollar on-chain, DOC stablecoin, can earn interest by lending their assets. So later in December, the project plans to launch decentralized governance forked from Compound's contracts. Okay? RSK is compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine, thus supporting Ethereum's Solidity smart contract language. Okay, so if you're an Ethereum dev, you could write stuff on this using the same Solidity. Sovryn users who join early will have exclusive access to the sale of its governance tokens, planned for the first quarter of 2021. The tokens will allow hodlers to participate in governance, though the team introduced a staking requirement. The longer the tokens are staked, the more voting power they acquire. So prior to launch, Sovryn held an oversubscribed investment round. Oversubscribed? How do you get oversubscribed? Hold on. Prior to launch, Sovryn held an oversubscribed. Okay, that's the right word they're using. All right. Oversubscribed investment for 2.1 million. Choosing the figure for its symbolic significance for Bitcoin. The round was led by Greenfield One and included Collider Ventures, Monday Capital, and other undisclosed investors. Collider Labs and Block Venture provided initial capital and development support. So the RSK sidechain recently saw a slew of upgrades and projects building on it. The project offers a faster, smart contract-enabled blockchain secured by merge mining with Bitcoin. Its native token is RBTC, a wrapped version of Bitcoin. Recently, the project announced that it upgraded the bridge to allow trustless Bitcoin transfers to the sidechain. So the RSK ecosystem is also gradually building out DeFi protocol building blocks, already featuring a stablecoin generating protocol in dollar on-chain. It has also developed an alternative type of decentralized exchange platform, which uses a hybrid model between order books and automated market maker. So, bang. All right. So it sounds like they want to build some sort of big exchange on here on RSK. Sovryn's going to do it. So if you're an RSK hodler, buy. Good for you. All right, let's move on. Buy, man. Canada's largest fund group partners with Galaxy Digital. Complete $72 million IPO for a Bitcoin fund. So you guys know Galaxy Digital, that's an American company. That's run by Mike Novogratz. I think he used to work for, I don't remember if it was Charles Schwab or JP Morgan, but he's a big boy. You know, he's a true hedge fund guy. And he's also a Bitcoin maximalist, like mega maximalist. I think he said like last year, he was like, yeah, by the end of 2019, Bitcoin's going to be at 250,000. So he's one of those, okay? But I mean, he's a real market guy. Anyways, and so Canada, largest fund right here. Here's a Bitcoin fund, and it IPO'd, and it was, bang, a success. And where is it being traded? On the Toronto Stock Exchange. So this is a regulated and licensed fund, meaning hedge funds, anyone can come get it. And this is I'm going to read it to you right now, but I'm just going to tell you right now too. Anyway, fuck it. This is going to be available to any North American hedge fund guys. Well, just sort of any American or Canadian North American investors. There you go. I guess what I'm trying to say is that American hedge funds can go up there and get this thing. There we go. And yeah, so here comes another Bitcoin fund. All right, we've been reading about banksters offering services and funds coming up. The ETPs. What else, man? There's been so many. I mean, just anyways, man. We've been reading about them. And so here's another one. And what is a fund? Well, a fund is a basket of assets. What is this asset? Bitcoin. What does that mean? Well, this fund had to buy a bunch of Bitcoin and hodl it, right? Take them off the market. Can't have a fund if you don't own the assets, can you? I know. That's not entirely true. You could have a fund with derivatives inside. I know. But just to keep it simple for everybody. All right. I know you can have a derivatives fund. I know. All right. So look, amid Bitcoin's crazy rally, Canadian mutual fund manager CI Financial Corp raised $72 million in an initial public offering of a Bitcoin fund. 72 mil. So founded in 1965, CI Financial is Canada's largest independent mutual fund manager with $215.6 billion in assets under management as of November 30th. Wow, $215 billion. It's nice. It's almost $250 billion. Look. While Toronto-based CI Financial will be managing the fund, Mike Novogratz's Galaxy Digital will be the sub-advisor and execute the Bitcoin trading on behalf of the fund. So that's how that's going to go. They're going to work together. Novogratz is going to make the trades, and well, I guess it's Mike Novogratz is kind of going to be the trading desk for this thing in a way. On this collaboration, Novogratz commented, "Fuel to the fire. So excited to partner with Canada's largest fund group. Bang!" The IPO attracted interest from a wide range of investors, including individuals, institutions, high net worth individuals, and financial advisors. Oh, wait till the financial advisors get here. That's that fidelity stuff. Each share of the CI Galaxy Bitcoin Fund was sold at $12.88, so 10 American dollars. It will be listed on the Toronto Stock Exchange. Bang! To trade in US and Canadian dollars. So, on the stock exchange. So any hedge fund, any market boy out there with a Bloomberg terminal, bang! This obviously jumps right on your terminal. Available for Canadians and Americans at least. And on the stock exchange. So, also something like this, a fund like this, well, that'll appear in the Canadian version of E-Trade and, that kind of stuff, Schwab accounts and all that. So, soccer mom and dad can get their hands on it. $10 a share. It's not so bad, soccer mom. Look, soccer mom. Let's go. So the fund enables the company's clients to hold the largest cryptocurrency through existing investment channels without going on new platforms. CI Financial Chief Executive Officer Kurt McAlpine, in an interview, said, having a product that can be bought directly, it can be bought through their financial advisor on behalf of them. It just makes their life. So this is like that S&P thing I read yesterday. Oh, sorry. I read Saturday. And it's sort of like the CBO thing. No. Yeah, the CBOE thing I read yesterday. It'll be on the exchange, and so people can actually get the feeds, and you could just buy directly, right? Just buy this fund directly. So like I said, it'll be, soccer mom and dad aren't going to have to do some weirdness to get it. It'll probably just be on their E-Trade account, and she can get as much as she wants, right? So it just makes their life a lot simpler than having to address their desire for Bitcoin via different structures and wallets, right? You're not going to have to go through these wallets and bullshit. It's just going to be on your E-Trade. You're just going to say, all right, each share was $10. All right, give me 1,000 shares of this shit. Bang. Done. Easy. No wallet, no cut and paste, no, you don't have to go through the way he says it, right? You don't have to go through different structures and wallets. Just flip and buy that crap and done. You're a coin hodler now, ma'am. Congratulations. So look. So the closed-end fund will invest directly in Bitcoin, which will be held in segregated cold storage. So, as you can see, it is a direct investment in Bitcoin. So it's not a derivatives thing. I know. For you market killers out there, I know what I was saying. I'm just talking to the regular folk. So it's not a derivatives Bitcoin fund. It is a directly owned Bitcoin fund, meaning they have to actually buy the Bitcoins and hodl them themselves, which they will do in a segregated cold storage wallet. Bang! Great. Thus creating scarcity, thus driving up the price of Bitcoin. Look. Bang! Good stuff. All right, and finally, bang! Weak hands are selling. But a new wave of fresh money is entering the market. Yes. Well, look, what have I been telling you about this space since the beginning of this daggone channel? I started this channel January 30th, 2018. 2018, I like to refer to as the great crypto bloodbath of 2018. Right? It was the great crypto bloodbath of 2018. Oh, yeah. It was slaughter. Oh, yeah. It was carnage. Oh, yeah. Yeesh. But like I was telling you back then, don't worry. Don't worry about the price. Don't worry about anything. Just accumulate. Because one day these weekends will be gone. And what? And what would happen? What did I have been preaching to you guys? And one day, a new wave of fresh money. Yes. Bang! Institutional money will enter the market. Fresh money. Oh, yeah. Nice and fresh. Smelling good. Oh, yeah. Fresh and clean. Right? That's what we've been talking around here. And so, well, it's happening. All right. Here comes that fresh money, right? We've been reading about, I've been saying about it the past few weeks here. These companies are holding it on the reserves, in the reserves. Things like what I just read to you. Bitcoin funds coming out in Switzerland. We read all of those ones coming out in Switzerland, in Germany. Now here in Canada here. America's coming online with the CBOE stuff, the CME stuff. That S&P thing next year, daggone. Yeah, the weekends are leaving. They're gone. They're selling. That's probably what accounted for this price right here. Let's see what Bitcoin's at right now. 22,007. Yeah, it was like at 30. It was at 36 or something earlier, like about an hour ago. It's now 5:03. So about an hour ago, it was at 23 something. So probably just a few little weekends, just collecting a little bit of cash. But no worries, because here comes the fresh money. And they're just going to keep pumping it up and up and up. Which is what I've been telling you since the beginning of this channel. That's what we've been waiting for. Waiting for a tsunami. A tsunami is a wave of fresh money. Right? We're done with this retail money now. We're done with that. I mean, we'll take soccer mom and dad's money later. But we need this big institutional money now. Right? We need that. I'm not worried about little Miss Maples down the block buying one Bitcoin. I like the shit we've been reading about dudes buying, What? Like grayscale? What? Like 100,000 bitcoins at a time? Wow. Wow. That creates scarcity. That creates scarcity. That'll drive a price like a look. All right, so let's check it out. So with Bitcoin movements going berserk, having smashed through 20,000 and continuing its ascent above 23,000 for now, the number of Bitcoin addresses holding at least $1 million has gone parabolic. Yeah, the rich boys are coming in now. They're coming in now. With an increase of 150%, the millionaire addresses now stand at 66,540 as per Glassnode. BTC crossing 20K has turned all early miner addresses, 50 Bitcoin block rewards, up, sent, or lost into millionaire addresses. It also makes sense that all the craziness has some people getting itchy to take off some profits. Exactly. That's what we're seeing today, probably. I mean, look what I read to you. Fuck, we went up 1,300 since yesterday. We went up 1,700 the day before. And then we went up $715 the day before that. So, weekends, they're going to take their money. You can expect that. And, well, that's good. They take the money, and then the smart money waits for that dip and buys in and whoosh, drives price. BTDI, they buy the dip. All right. So all exchanges inflow mean has a high, has hit a 9-month high. The last time we saw such incoming levels was during March sell-off. So while weak hands, I love how they say it. You crypto nerds, start learning how we talk. Weak hands seem to be selling their Bitcoin to the institutional investors. Demand outstrips the supply. And so that's exactly the point. All these weak hands, they're finally making money, and they're just getting, I made 10 grand. Oh, I made 5 grand. Let me make the money. They're taking it so fast. And so, well, the institutional investors are just sitting there saying, sure, I'll take your money, you fucking little weak hand. Let me buy that Bitcoin off you right now. Right? And there's so much demand right now for Bitcoin that it's actually outstripping the supply. There are not enough weak hands to sell this shit. So everyone's desperate. Hence the price is flying, right? No one's selling. Why would I when something is going up 1,200, 1,300, 1,700 a day, right? And so big money is willing to pay for you to sell it. Look, it's 23,000. I'll pay 25. Just sell it to me, right? I bet what's happening in the OTC market, there's another market called the OTC market, over-the-counter market, where you get to negotiate price. I guarantee you right now, if you're selling in the OTC market, you're commanding a hefty premium. If I were to sell this Bitcoin that I have on the OTC market, what are we at, 22,000 right now? I bet you I could get 27 for it. Oh, yeah. Charge them 5 grand extra. Fucking right. All right, so look, you guys know what OTC is, over-the-counter market. So you get to actually negotiate the prices of stuff. Whereas when we buy stuff, it's called the spot market. We have to pay the price on the spot. All right, so anyways, the BTC price is not giving any indication of stopping anytime soon. Everyone has come out of the woods to announce their moon targets, which are still not wacky enough for the crypto market, to be honest, promoting their Bitcoin investment. I know, these guys are getting a little crazy. $1 million Bitcoin, blah, blah. Like, I think it'll go to about 200 grand one day. Like, by next year, I think we'll probably be at around, 60 to 80 kind of thing by the end of the year. Anyways, who knows? We'll see. I don't care. Massive OTC deals are still ongoing, and only 5% of the network transactions are used for exchange, deposits, and withdrawals. So you see what he said? The OTC deals. OTC. These guys are buying mega amounts, negotiating directly with the Bitcoin miners to buy their stuff. And I bet you these miners are charging them a big price, a big premium right now. Current institutional buying is just a start. Bang! Noted Ki Young-ju, CEO of data provider CryptoQuant. Blah, blah, blah. And then he's got a little chart on his tweet. All right. But look, yesterday, Block One, the company behind EOS, also announced that they had increased their Bitcoin holdings position. After the biggest IPO of $4 billion, it makes sense the company will be utilizing the money by betting on the fastest horse. Exactly. And that's what I've been telling you. That's why I bought that Bitcoin the other day. A little bit more Bitcoin the other day because it's the fastest horse. It's going to gain bang, bang. Look at the ROI. You guys know I bought that crap, what, fucking 5 weeks ago? Yeah, well, I'm already up grands, right? It's the fastest horse. It's going to give you the fastest ROI, return on investment, with the the biggest ROI, return on investment, with the fastest ROR, rate of return. Rate of return, right? I've been holding these fucking V-chains for so long. The return isn't, the return isn't that bad. I mean, I bought them way back, but compared to just, these Bitcoin returns, it's nothing, right? So it's the fastest horse. So interestingly, while weak hands are selling, more than 3.5% of all Bitcoin has also moved into the 2 to 3 year age band. However, this corresponds with the December 2018 capitulation, where Bitcoin's price crashed from 6,300 to 3,200 over a few weeks, so it almost halved. So, I mean, if we go by that sort of scenario, well, we'd be down to 11 grand in for a Bitcoin in a little while. That'd be great. If we go down there again, holy shit, I'm going to buy so much. However, all right, so the whole world is in disbelief right now. A new wave of fresh money. Look. I've been telling you the fresh money's coming. Is entering the market. For every dollar Bitcoin rises over 20K, global interest and demand increases exponentially. And that's what I've been telling you. That's what we've been preaching. That's what we've been waiting for. Like I said, I feel at ease now. All this crap I've been saying, and now it's happening. Now we're just cruising, baby. Now we're just cruising. Just keep accumulating and hold tight and just watch your money rolling in. Just watch your money rolling in. All right, let's move on. Back. Look what we got here, Mr. Percy. Look. Yes, Mr. Love you, Mr. See you, Mr. Bye. Edwin. Koval, the original. Let see, brother. Bang. Bit him. Let see, brother. Bang. What we got? CB News. Oh, I know. I read this earlier. Cardano's about to get a lot smarter. Computational engine Wolfram Alpha is building Cardano into its blockchain. The companies will be creating some next-level smart contracts when this rolls out in 2021. I know. I read that. Well, we'll just see how it goes. But they're saying, like, next-level shit, right? So, well, we'll see. We'll see. I told you what I think about Cardano. Like, Hoskinson, man, he's a mathematician. He's not in a rush to get this thing out there. And, he's not out here, searching for Twitter followers and stuff. He wants to build a world-class product. And, yeah, it's taken a long time. And people, well, when's my coin going to go up and blah, blah. He's not here for your coin. He's not here for your tweets. He's here to make a world-class product that lasts forever. And that's what this Cardano thing is going to do. I think it's going to be pretty amazing. He's a mathematician, and the guys with him are a bunch of PhDs. So they know what world-class level stuff is, right? They're not a bunch of kids out of college, tinkering around with the blockchain. All right, so let's move on. So I'm excited. All right, someone mentioned me in a tweet, so we'll move on there. Blockchain monkeys, long time no see, brother. Love you, monkey. See you, monkey. Bang. Airdrop. Bang. Yeah, got you wrong cash. Son of a bitch. And this is what Airdropper was telling me yesterday, and it just what I said yesterday on the show. We've come so far and we've come along now so much, and now it's all beginning to happen. There's a sort of a sense of calm coming over me now. Like, there's no more like, please, I'm not, in my heart, I'm not like, oh, please pass legislation. Oh, please, a vehicle, please this. I know it's coming now. It's already begun. The money's already flowing in, and you can't stop that. And now there's a calmness, a peace about me, really, where, all right, it's really coming now, right? It's really happening. This whole thing is really going down as planned. Wow. I mean, I thought that we were going to have a NoFest 2020. Maybe not as fast as I thought, but every little step in it, the custody, the insurance, the investment vehicles, the regulations, the licensed and regulated exchanges and stuff, all coming to pass, all coming to fruition and becoming the reality we've been talking about here for the past 3 years. So, beautiful thing. Let me drop, see you drop. Bye. What we got here? Look, Bitcoin Gong. Wow. Yes. Let me see, brother. Bye. Sunny Beep, Spy Lady. Whoop, where'd she go? Spy stuff. She had to go do some spy stuff real quick. Levy Lady, see you, lady. Bye. She probably just assassinated someone right there. Look, Chief VCL, the Pascu Yaki tribe. VChain masters, VChain holders, VChain killers. Yes. Love you, Chief. See you, Chief. Bye. Slappy. Hold down the insurgency up north. Love you, see you, brother. Bye. All right. What else we got around these parts? BDM. What's he talking about, BDM? CB News. What, BDM? Bulls on parade all day. One hedge fund is committed to owning a combined $1 billion in Bitcoin and Ethereum by Q3. Exactly. Look at a hedge fund. They're like, we're going to own $1 billion worth of this shit. Already scooping up about 600 million in Ethereum and Bitcoin that they bought in November. Oh, that one. Yeah. I read about this. Yeah. They bought. So these guys, this hedge fund here, they bought $600 million worth of crypto, of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Yeah, super quiet. They didn't tell anyone. So, we've been reading about Grayscale buying all. They've been buying more than Grayscale. But they just kept it quiet. I told you how these guys are. They just don't want their enemies to know what the fuck they're doing, right? I mean, you don't want your competitors to know what you're doing. If you think you got a good play, well, you wanna run that play as, without so many interlopers getting involved, right? So, in a way, and so, yeah, I read about that, yeah. Bang! Yeah, these guys have more than Grayscale, and they bought it so quiet. Nobody knew until today, where they were just like, hey, guys, we got $600 million worth. Yeah, that was sneaky. Kong! Piggy. See, Piggy. Go grab that chicken. Boom! RSK launches Bitcoin DeFi. Boom! Canadian Bitcoin Fund IPO. Look. Launch. Boom! And the weekends are selling. And here comes fresh money. And the fresh money makes it go. Boom! That's what it makes your portfolio look like. A bunch of fresh money makes it look like. Boom! Daggone right, brothers and sisters. Daggone right. All right, that's good enough. Let's get back to the Death Star. Bye. Welcome back, guys. All right. So we had a great show for you today. All right, guys. So, Bitcoin still flying. Up $1,320 since yesterday. Fuck. Let's see how deep this retrace is. I'm expecting a little retrace soon. I mean, you can't just fly like this. Well, you can. I mean, there's nothing stopping it on a technical basis. As long as there's more money coming in, well, prices go up. But I'm just saying, I'm expecting a little retrace soon. Anyways, RSK launches Bitcoin DeFi through Sovryn. So, yeah, they're going to have that big that exchange on RSK. Right? It's going to have right, all those services, all the bells and whistles, blah, 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 right? So, the cool thing about it was something about you could stake your Bitcoin, your USDT, and some other coin and get paid the yields from that, right? Like that. So, all right, if you're into that, bye, there you go. And then Canadian Bitcoin Fund IPO. And so, Yeah, this is one of the biggest funds in fund managers in Canada, asset managers in Canada. The fund is a partnership between, I didn't write down the name of the company, but that company and Galaxy Digital here in America. Galaxy Digital will be executing the trades, and the Canadian fund will tell him what to execute. And it was a successful offering yesterday. And this is going to be listed on the Toronto Stock Exchange. Meaning, well, when soccer mom and dad fire up their E-Trade accounts, guess what they're going to see? A brand new Bitcoin fund to invest in if they so choose. And like the CEO of the fund that's doing this thing said, right? It makes it easy. You know, they don't have to fool around with wallets and all sorts of crap. You just buy it right off of the platform you're already using. Your E-Trade account, go for it. Buy it right off there. If you're a hardcore boy, you're a hedge fund guy, well, obviously you can just get it right off your Bloomberg terminal, or through your Bloomberg terminal. And so, just another example of another investment vehicle coming to the space. And like it said, this is a this is a fund that actually owns the crypto. So it's not a derivatives fund. It actually owns the Bitcoin in it, meaning taking them off the market and hodling them. So thus creating scarcity. And so just win, 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 win. Just good news all around. I can't, there's nothing bad to say about it. It's great. It was success. And, all right. And then what we got? Oh, and then the weekends, selling, and now the fresh money is entering the market. And so that's what I told you would happen. And well, here's the confirmation that what I've been telling you would happen is happening. The weekends are now beginning to leave the market. Well, I mean, they always leave. That's why they're weak. They come in, they leave. They come in, they leave. They come in, they leave. They're fucking stupid, right? And so, but now we've got the fresh money entering. Yeah, and these aren't weekends. They're coming in. Hook. Oh, they're here. They're here to stay. They're here to take shit over. And this is what I've been telling you guys for 3 years. And so here's the confirmation that what I've been telling you is happening and is beginning to happen. And just keep accumulating while you can before you get priced out. Here it is. The fresh money is entering. No time to waste. It's not just Shomari talking. Some guy smoking and drinking. I know. It looks fucked up. Although I am a market killer. I mean, I don't know why you wouldn't listen to me for. But whatever. Here it is. Weekends are leaving. And the fresh money is coming. And, bang. Good to go. All right, so on that note, let's chill and kill it. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. So subscribe below, press the bell. You get an automatic notification when I do this show. The greatest show on earth. Bang! The greatest show. In the multiverse. Look. My name's Shomari Clarke. Love talking money. Bang! Love talking crypto. Bang! This is the favorite time of my day. So thanks for having me in your home, and I will see you all tomorrow. So, for another fun fact, crypto-filled day of cryptoness. So until then, subscribe here. Bang! Press the thumbs up. Or, what is it? Some notification thing. Watch that video there. Greatest in the multiverse. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. My name's Shomari Clarke, and I am always on duty. Yeah. Enjoy watching your money roll in. Don't refresh too hard. You get some carpal tunnel syndrome. Bang! Over and out.